Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the American Express application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in American Express or Amex and start your search. Once you find the American Express application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Amex application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to proceed with logging into your account or signing up and creating a new account. And now after you log in or sign up, you can start using the Amex or the American Express application right from your phone to bank. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Amex or the American Express application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.